This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. I'm going to show you 2 quick ways to resize Google Sheets columns. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So the quickest way to resize a column is actually to hover over the little line that's between the column name, like H and I, and you can just move that to the right and move that to the left. And you can see it got bigger. Maybe I want to make this one smaller. The problem with this approach is it takes too long. Like you can see there's lots of columns here, so maybe I don't want to spend all my time minutely adjusting them. Another way to adjust the size of all of your columns at once is basically to select all of the columns that you want to adjust. So I'm going to select everything from A through L, and then on the first column, hover over the line between the A and the B, or the 2 columns that are to the left, and then start to move the line to the left. And so what's going to happen when I let go of this line here? It's going to resize all the columns to the same size, all the ones you selected. So all of a sudden, all of these columns are exactly the same size, which is useful. If you don't want to resize all of them, like let's say I want to leave the title the same size, the title column, column A, but I want to resize all of these, like let's say B through F, all you need to do is select the columns that you want to resize to the same size and just do the same thing. So between B and C, there's this little light colored line. I'm hovering over it. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and now all the columns from B through F are going to be the same size. Okay, so you can see that just happened. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow, and I have links to more resources in the description. Thank you so much for watching.